the 3 scariest animals in the world. First, we have the cassowary bird. It's the world's most dangerous bird. Most cassowaries run up to 31 mph and have sharp claws capable of fatal attacks. Next, we have the Brazilian wandering spider, holding the Guinness World Record for the world's most venomous spider. Its bite can be deadly within hours without treatment. Finally, the deathstalker scorpion. Its venom is a potent cocktail of neurotoxins, making this scorpion one of the most dangerous in the world, especially for children and the elderly.